Hi there, here we have the 2018 on a 67 plate Ford Fiesta. This is the 1 litre titanium 5-door manual. I'll do a video walking around the car showing you the excellent condition it is offered in. So as you can see, the front bumper, there is no scuffs, no scratches. Moving on to the bonnet, nice and clean, there is no dents, no chips, no scratches, so nothing untoward onto the front end of the vehicle. Alloys are nice and clean, so as you can see there is no marks on the alloys. Just to confirm, it is a one owner from new, one lady owner actually, so let's make that right. And it does have full service history. Rushmores have also done a full service on the vehicle, and a new 12 months MOT will be done at point of sale. It does have the rear parking sensors. The privacy glass, as you can see there. And also, as you saw, the back bumper nice and clean, so there is no scuffs, no scratches. RAC Platinum warranty, as well as the 12 months breakdown cover, so that all comes in with the price of the vehicle. You do have the option to extend your warranty up to 36 months. So this is something we highly recommend at Rushmores. If there is any further questions about the extended warranty, or you wanted more information at all about it, then no problem. Once you come down to the showroom or over the phone, we'll give you more options. Right, so let's have a look at the interior as well. So front passenger door, as you can see, nice and clean. It does have the front electric windows. Dash, once again, nice and clean, so there is no marks on the screen there. There is no scratches. I know it is quite common to get scratches on the screen, being touchscreen. However, that's not the case. Steering wheel, once again, nice and clean. And also the seats, there is no marks, no tears. So inside, very, very, very good condition. So back seats, once again, nice and clean, so there isn't any marks, any tears onto the seats. It does also have the ISOFIX, so nice safety point for the children. Alright, let's have a look at the boot space. So very, very nice boot space, as you can see there, so pretty nice and fair. Being the Fiesta, it is quite impressive. As you can see there, the tinted windows, so privacy glass at the back. Once again, the back seats, as you can see there, in great condition. There is no marks. It is pet free and smoke free, so there is no odours inside the vehicle. Right, let's have a look at the front driver's side door. So as you can see there, it does have the front electric windows. You do also have the door mirrors, which are folding in door mirrors as well. Lights, you do have the auto lights on the car. The steering wheel is multifunctional as well, so you do have the nice and fresh multifunctional steering wheel. And as you can see there, the inside is nice and clean. It does have the engine start button, so you don't have to put the key inside the ignition. It is left in your pocket, and the vehicle turns on. So let's have a look at the sat nav. Let's go on to the sat nav first. It is a touchscreen sat nav. As you can see there, that's the map. If we go onto phone, you can connect your phone, so you can pair your phone, and if there is any calls that come in through your phone, they can be answered on the steering wheel, as you can see just there, so that can be done as well. Audio, so you can connect your phone to the Bluetooth audio, that is the DAB radio that we are on right now. So if we go into source, you are able to see there is the Bluetooth audio. At the moment there isn't a phone that's connected. However, if you connect your phone through Bluetooth, you can play the music on YouTube, Spotify, you name it. It definitely can be done. So let's go back onto settings. As you can see there, that's all the settings on the vehicle. So climate control, it does have the aircon as well. It is the 6-speed gearbox. Armrest, nice and clean. Dash, nice and clean. Right, so just to recap before we finish off the video, as you saw there, the car is in great condition inside and out. It is a one lady owner from new with full service history. Rushmore's have also done a full service on the vehicle, and a new 12 months MOT will be done at point of sale. There is the RAC Platinum warranty as well as the 12 months breakdown cover, so that all comes in with the price of the vehicle. If there is any further questions or you need finance arranging, then no problem at all. Don't hesitate to give us a call, as we will be more than happy to help you out and assist you. Okay, thanks for watching.